Creating a contact in Xero is an essential step for managing your clients, suppliers, and other business relationships. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you add contacts to Xero. Log into Xero. First, log into your Xero account at xero.com. Navigate to Contacts. From your Xero dashboard, click on the Contacts tab located in the top menu. This will take you to the Contacts page. Add a new contact. Click the plus New Contact button on the Contacts page. Enter contact details. In the new contact window, fill in the necessary information. Name. Add the contact's business or personal name. Email address. Provide their email for correspondence. Phone number. Add their contact number. Address. Fill in their physical address. Tax information. If the contact is a supplier, you may also add tax-related info such as their VAT or GST number. Save the contact. Once all the information is filled out, click the Save button at the bottom to add the contact to Xero. Create additional info. After saving, you can also add more details such as payment terms, bank accounts, or notes for further organization.